Okay, I've installed my K&N air filter in there. It's a washable, reusable performance air filter in my cold air intake box. It's all installed, so we're going to get inside this 2.4 Dodge Dart SXT, turn it on, and just see if we can notice any sounds or any difference in performance on the engine. I kind of highly doubt we will, but it's always fun to just see what happens, I guess. So just hang tight. Let me stick the key in here and let's get her going. And so that's what it sounds like with the new K&H, or excuse me, K&N installed air filter, performance air filter. So that's it for now.